welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking a leisurely stroll through the heart of Toronto, Canada, as the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow on the bustling streets. But before we dive into our urban adventure, let me share some fascinating insights about this vibrant city. Nestled on the northwestern shore of Lake Ontario, Toronto is Canada's largest city and a global metropolis. It's renowned for its diverse neighborhoods, iconic skyline, and a cultural tapestry that reflects its multicultural population. Toronto's history dates back to Indigenous settlements, with the name Toronto derived from the Mohawk language. The city grew significantly during the 19th century, evolving into a major economic hub. Today, remnants of its past coexist with modern skyscrapers, offering a captivating blend of old and new. As we traverse these lively streets, keep an eye out for the CN Tower, an architectural marvel dominating the skyline. Did you know it held the title of the world's tallest freestanding structure for over 3 decades? Toronto is also home to Path, an extensive underground pedestrian walkway, a subterranean city beneath the city. Its network spans over 30 kilometers, making it the largest underground shopping complex globally, perfect for navigating the city during chilly Canadian winters. Now, let's talk about the gastronomic scene. Toronto's diverse population is reflected in its culinary offerings. From the aromatic stalls of Kensington Market to the upscale eateries in Yorkville, your taste buds can embark on a world tour without leaving the city. Amidst the urban landscape, Toronto thrives with businesses. Financial institutions in the Financial District, tech hubs in Liberty Village, and the artistic flair of the Distillery District, each area contributes to Toronto's dynamic economic tapestry. Explore the eclectic mix of shops lining Queen Street West, offering everything from chic boutiques to quirky vintage stores. Nathan Phillips Square, with its iconic Toronto sign, is not just a public space but also a venue for events and festivals. Toronto is also a city of green spaces. The Toronto Islands, accessible by a short ferry ride, provide a tranquil escape from the urban hustle. High Park, with its picturesque cherry blossoms in spring, is a favorite among locals. As we amble through the city streets, let the vibrant energy of Toronto captivate you. The blend of history, cultural richness, and modernity is what makes this destination so enticing for tourists worldwide. As we wander through the bustling streets of downtown Toronto, there are several attractions that stand out, drawing both locals and visitors alike. Let's delve into some of the most popular destinations in the heart of this vibrant Canadian city. CN Tower. Our gaze is immediately drawn to the iconic CN Tower piercing the skyline. Standing tall at 553 meters, it's not just an architectural marvel but also an observation deck offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city and beyond. Nathan Phillips Square. This bustling square is at the heart of Toronto, surrounded by the old City Hall, new City Hall, and the iconic Toronto sign. Throughout the year, the square hosts events, festivals, and is a gathering place for both tourists and locals. The Distillery District. A short stroll takes us to the Distillery District, a pedestrian-only area with cobblestone streets and Victorian-era buildings. This historic site has been transformed into a hub for arts, culture, and entertainment, with galleries, boutiques, and delightful cafes. Royal Ontario Museum ROM. For those with a penchant for history and culture, the ROM is a must-visit. It houses a vast collection of artifacts and specimens, ranging from natural history to world cultures, making it one of the largest museums in North America. Art Gallery of Ontario AGU. Art enthusiasts will find solace in the AGU, a major art museum featuring a remarkable collection of Canadian, European, African, and contemporary artworks. The building itself, designed by architect Frank Gehry, is a piece of art. Yonge Dundas Square. Often referred to as Toronto's Times Square, Yonge Dundas Square is a lively entertainment hub. Flanked by theaters, shopping centers, and restaurants, it's a vibrant space with concerts, events, and the iconic Eaton Centre nearby. Ripley's Aquarium of Canada. A short walk brings us to Ripley's Aquarium, a mesmerizing underwater world showcasing marine life from different ecosystems. The highlight is the impressive underwater tunnel providing a 360-degree view of sharks and other sea creatures. Queen Street West. Shopaholics will find their haven along Queen Street West, known for its diverse range of shops, boutiques, and vintage stores. It's a fashionable district where you can explore the latest trends and unique finds. Toronto Islands. A ferry ride from the downtown waterfront transports us to the Toronto Islands. With stunning views of the skyline, these islands offer a peaceful retreat with parks, beaches, and bike trails. High Park. Nature lovers can escape the urban hustle by exploring High Park, a vast green oasis in the city. With scenic walking trails, a beautiful lake, and even a zoo, it's a perfect spot for relaxation. Street food in Toronto. Pimille Bacon Sandwich at Carousel Bakery. Located in St. Lawrence Market, Carousel Bakery is famous for its classic pimille bacon sandwich. It's a Toronto staple and a must-try for street food enthusiasts. Jerk chicken at Randy's Takeout. For authentic Jamaican flavors, Randy's Takeout in Scarborough is renowned for its delicious jerk chicken. The bold spices and smoky flavors make it a local favorite. Kensington Market Empanadas. The diverse Kensington Market is home to various street vendors offering international delights. Empanadas from Latin American stalls are particularly popular. Beaver Tails at Beaver Tails Pastry. Beaver Tails pastries, stretched to resemble a beaver's tail, are a Canadian treat. You can find a Beaver Tails pastry food truck at events and festivals across the city. Waffles at OG Chimneys. OG Chimneys offers Hungarian chimney cakes, a sweet and doughy dessert often topped with various delicious treats. The food truck can be found at different locations. Restaurants in Toronto. Canoe Restaurant and Bar. Located atop the TD Bank Tower, Canoe offers a fine dining experience with breathtaking views of the city. The menu features Canadian-inspired dishes with a modern twist. Khao San Road. For exceptional Thai cuisine, Khao San Road in the entertainment district is a popular choice. The menu includes flavorful dishes like pad thai and green curry. Alo Restaurant. Alo is a Michelin-starred restaurant in the heart of Toronto, offering a contemporary French dining experience. The tasting menu showcases the chef's creativity and attention to detail. Byblos. Byblos, located in the entertainment district, offers a Mediterranean-inspired menu. The stylish ambience and flavorful dishes make it a hotspot for locals and visitors. Bar Isabel. Recognized for its Spanish-inspired menu, Bar Isabel in Little Italy is known for its tapas-style dishes, excellent cocktails, and a vibrant atmosphere. Bars and pubs in Toronto. Bar Hop. Bar Hop is a craft beer bar with an extensive selection of local and international brews. The rotating taps and knowledgeable staff make it a go-to spot for beer enthusiasts. The Cloak Bar. Located in the Thompson Hotel, the Cloak Bar offers a chic and intimate setting. The craft cocktails and panoramic views of the city skyline make it a popular choice. Bar Chef. Bar Chef is renowned for its innovative and artisanal cocktails. The mixologists use molecular gastronomy techniques to create unique and visually stunning drinks. The Shameful Tiki Room. For a tropical escape in the heart of the city, the Shameful Tiki Room offers exotic cocktails in a retro tiki bar setting. It's a fun and lively spot for drinks with friends. The Drake Hotel Sky Yard. The rooftop patio at the Drake Hotel provides a trendy and vibrant atmosphere. With creative cocktails and a stylish setting, it's a popular destination for socializing. These recommendations capture the diverse culinary scene in Toronto, ranging from street food delights to high-end dining experiences and vibrant bars. Each venue contributes to the city's reputation as a food and drink hub with global influences. Toronto's downtown is a captivating blend of cultural richness, modernity, and natural beauty. Whether you're into history, arts, shopping, or simply enjoying the urban vibe, this city has something for everyone. Before we wrap up, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave your thoughts in the comments. If you've ever visited or dreamed of exploring Toronto, share your experiences. Stay tuned for more virtual explorations, and until next time, happy wandering.